Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon cake. 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of white granulated sugar. I have 3 large eggs. About 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and you can use a little bit less if you want, or more. And I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract, 1/2 of a teaspoon. This is 1/2 cup of buttermilk. About 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, or like 1.5 lemons. So I have 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to put in about 1/3 of it, or half of it first, and we're just going to fold this in. I'll just put the rest in. And just like that, the cake batter is ready to go. Scrape it all in. And what I did with the pan is I used some shortening on the sides and the bottom, and then put a little bit of flour in there. And then you tap the pan all around, and that makes sure that this cake does not stick when it's done baking. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. We will bake this somewhere between 40 and 55 minutes. And the way that you tell that it's done is you'll poke it with a toothpick or a long like wooden skewer, and if it comes out clean, it's ready to go. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will remove it from the pan. And I usually take a cake spatula and just go around the edges, flip the cake out, and put it right on that wire rack. And I'm just gonna let it cool the rest of the way, and then we will make the glaze and put the glaze on top. I have about 1 cup of powdered sugar, about 1 tablespoon of milk, about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm gonna put about 1/2 of it in there and start mixing this together. Add a little bit more. I'm gonna pour this glaze right down the middle here. And if you wanna make more, it's really easy to make some more of this. And you'll get about 12 servings or 12 slices out of this, depending on the size that you make it. And look at that. Look at that. How amazing that looks. I'm gonna dive into this. Oh, this is so great. Mmm. Mmm.